fam, I gotta share with you something I've been really doing for myself, and that is taking better care of my health. I've been so busy this summer. Not only am I in the middle of designing a clothing line that's launching to you guys this fall, but I'm also moving into our place and getting all the furniture situated. And in order to keep myself like energized and healthy, and part of doing that means taking my Centrum Daily Movement and Strength capsules. Thank you so much to Centrum for sponsoring this video. So they have one for rejuvenation. I believe they also have another one for just staying calm, and they have another one for improving your focus. Feeling good starts from within, and these are formulated with hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and minerals. And all of that's there to support joint and bone health. There's also vitamin D to support calcium absorption and bone health. Bottom line, they help keep your body moving. I'm always on the go, so these have been the perfect supplement to my lifestyle. And Mom, I hooked you up with a bottle too. We look so nice. Very nice. Just so I understand, are you ever going to remove this fourth name from your tattoos that we don't even talk to or ever see anymore?
No, leave it there. I like it. I have, 4 kids.
You have 5, including Jay.
Whatever, we think about it.
You might think about adding Jay to your tattoos.
I'm not gonna tell you anything. I'm gonna put it or I don't put it.
Oh
Hell
my God.
no.
Wait, if you put his name, are you gonna put Jay or Jeezy?
Gigi.
Okay, that's neither of the options.
GJ. Why, if you give me money, I will put the right name.
Hello, Hunnay!
Hello, honey.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Mama, my kitchen.
My kitchen.
Whatever.
It's technically my house. Y'all came through with many requests, many asks, many very, very sometimes forceful, what's it called?
Hurry up.
Hints
Oh my gosh.
of doing an air fryer episode. We all know it's my favorite device in the house. I use it like 12 times a day. So we have combined forces, as per your request, to do an air fryer cooking episode where Mama Mai is going to feature one of her most requested items in all of Hello Hunnay, her egg rolls. That's right, you know it, you asked for it. It's her egg rolls.
Yeah.
You've been asking for these for so long, and she simplified the recipe so that everybody can make it.
Usually when you make egg roll, they use the pork. Today I use, excuse me, don't make noise. Today I cook the egg roll, I make turkey, all right? Because my son, he doesn't eat pork, so I have to make the turkey for him. So
Who's your son?
GJ.
Everybody's been complaining about the quarantine 15, right? We all like a little junk in our trunk and some curve in our swerve, but if you opt for a healthier option, this is it. The air fryer, as you know, fries without oil, so you got that there. Second thing is, my mom has cut out the fattiest meat, which is pork, and now has subbed it with, what's that again?
Turkey.
Turkey.
My gosh.
So you can also use like tofu and fake meats, but turkey just gives it that oomph. I want to keep this video really basic so that you guys understand the essentials of rolling an egg roll the right way, the authentic way, air frying it so that it gets crispity form possible. And then you guys can go in the link below and find out all the ingredients so you can get exactly how Mama Mai prepared all this.
First of all, I just want to let you know we're gonna mix it up the turkey, all right? I make the turkey, I fry them with the garlic a little bit halfway, not well done.
She got regular turkey, like ground turkey.
I don't use glove, I use this better. Here, put in your hand so I let you do it.
What the hell is that?
Put in your hand just like a glove.
We have gloves. You
Where's
need
the glove?
gloves?
No, I like to use this one more convenient.
I have them.
Yeah, let me see how you have glove it. You go look for it. Can't even open it. What's the matter?
That's why that's so stupid.
It's not stupid. It's faster. I don't, because I wear ring, I don't use, I use this one. Faster.
Did you
Yeah,
steal this from the supermarket?
whatever.
Oh my God, Mom, this is...
I don't
Mom,
steal
this is
it.
for people's produce.
No.
They don't
steal it.
sell this.
No. I told the guy, I make the show, he give it to me. I said, I don't want to use love. He said, you can have it. But don't tell anybody, that's why. He gave it to me, they say, don't tell
Oh my God,
anybody.
I've never seen stolen goods at our house.
I can't even open it. How you
That's
open
why
it?
you should use gloves.
You use that or use this. First of all, I'm gonna put this on a little bit, right? Fish sauce, you can see it. I put on the turkey. A little
That's
bit.
a very important ingredient, guys.
That's
Wait,
it.
can I show them too? You have to use this kind called Viet Hung.
Việt Hương ba con cua.
Oh, Viet Hung. This is a Vietnamese brand. It's functified. Don't spill it anywhere. This is the real stuff.
Okay, now I put a lot of black pepper. Okay, and extra virgin oil. Go like this, a little bit more moist. Okay, now look at, you can mix. Okay, now you do it. You con làm trọng đi. Why you use the gloves for your hand?
Why don't I use this?
You hand better. You do like this. And then this is a 4 egg. Okay, I put it here. The yellow one I put in the bowl, and the white one I'm which one? Which one?
What a loser.
Which came around looking for? This one. Okay, this one, okay. The yellow one, I'm put in here. The white one, I use it later, okay?
Just the yolks, no whites.
Okay, can you move it so I put it? Here, you can see it. Okay, I make the carrot, onion, taro,
Onion.
and mushroom. Usually you can use the black mushroom, but I forget to buy the black mushroom, so I can use oyster mushroom. It's more crunchy. Oh, look at this. Okay, con trộn lên đi. We have 2 onion, and then we have the 1 pack of con trộn lên mixing.
Everybody's saying I'm not doing something. What am I doing now? Huh?
Okay, let me mix it up.
What am I doing, friend?
I cook for the whole army. Oh, about a carrot. When you slide a carrot, you have to put the carrot on your hand and you squeeze the juice out. Don't let the juice, don't keep the juice. The
Don't
more
make your egg roll soggy.
Yeah, thank you. Gonna mix everything, right? And then this is the white noodle. I show you this noodle. I bought it. This one, you can use it.
Mom, your sleeve is inside my thing.
Soak in the water. That's it, and make it more bigger. And then now you can
Mix it in.
mix it in. Yeah.
Your
You see?
gloves are a horrible idea. They're covering everything. They're all over. They're picking up carrots from my bowl. I can't talk over my mom's gloves. Mom,
Why?
change your gloves. We can't talk. There's too much sound.
Oh, too much salt?
Yes.
Really? Why don't you tell me?
Change your gloves.
Okay. You roll
Change your
it.
stolen produce bags to
Ever.
gloves.
I love that bag. Where's the glove?
Right there. Right there. Over there.
Okay. Gonna roll everything. Okay, now.
My mom's egg rolls are the best. They're so crunchy, but they're also a lot of filling. You know how sometimes you get egg rolls and it's a lot of outside? No, not my mama's. There's a lot of meat. There's a lot of flavor.
Okay. Cái này nó hơi bạo động quá con. The too big a little bit.
You think my
Save it,
gloves
don't throw
are
it
big?
away.
She thinks my gloves are big. Can
Don't
someone
throw it away.
explain to her the irony of what she just...
Save it. Okay. GJ will love it because
He loves the egg rolls.
the egg roll with the turkey and
And they're
vegetable.
fried. He wouldn't eat them if they were, they're air fried. He wouldn't eat them if they're fried because he's being very healthy right now.
One bowl.
Jay is actually a better egg roller than I am.
Just a little. Okay? I put it in microwave and then, cook a little bit to see how it tastes. Jeannie.
What a dork. She just said it's too spicy. This is why you need recipes,
No,
Mom.
don't worry because I like spice. DJ loves spicy.
Mom, but...
DJ, he likes
No,
spicy.
the
Don't
kids are
worry.
gonna eat this,
No,
Mom.
he loves spicy. He likes spicy. Don't
No.
worry. No.
She
We have
said
a
it's
lot,
too...
We have a lot of vegetables, so you don't have to worry about spicy. Okay? You see? And nó cũng dip vô trong cái fish sauce nữa. Good, right?
It's spicy, Mom.
I know. Don't worry. He likes spicy.
It's spicy.
We're gonna roll it.
Even though this looks like a lot, you can always take this and freeze it so that next time you don't have to go through this whole process. Just bust it out, roll
Right.
them fresh, and you have fresh egg rolls.
We're gonna roll it. First, I want to let you know, this is the bánh tráng chả giò. This is the crunchy one, the best one you can buy any Asian store. You fry or you air fry, it's still crunchy. They have a round one so big. I don't want the round one. I use halfway only. My girlfriend, her name is Rosalina. She's a big girl.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Anytime she wrap the egg roll, she wrap the whole paper around one like that because she like big thing because she's big
Actually,
anyway.
my mom's right. You don't want to make your egg rolls too big. Food always looks better, small and bite-sized, and you eat more.
This is a soda, coconut soda
You're putting soda in there, not water?
mix.
Why?
Because cái này nó làm cho nó cái how say crunchy more. That's why. And then now
Such a big secret. Wait! So she's mixing this coconut soda with water to dip the egg roll paper in, the rice paper, in order to make this crunchier. That's a trick. I don't know if you guys know this, but spring roll wrap or egg roll wrap always starts out crunchy, like this is rice.
Right.
Then you dampen it and it becomes all noodly. This is the craziest invention that some Vietnamese person, I think, made.
I will tell you. Okay.
Which basically, back in the day when you'd eat fresh egg rolls, they would put a plate of this stuff like this, and then you would dip it in a bowl of awkward water like this,
Yeah.
dip it, and it'd be soaking all over, but then you dry it off on your plate, and then you'd start making your egg rolls. Now, they have this so that you can dip your egg rolls.
I'll do that later.
Dip your
I
egg
will.
paper. We'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy one of these nifty contraptions.
Right. I like the small roll. That's why I make half. So it's up to you. When you fry them or you air fry, sometimes the color turn out white because this is a white. You want a little bit more color. Can you give me the honey? That big one. You
This
can
isn't
use
honey,
syrup.
your word.
Whatever. You can use syrup or honey, anything you like
You're gonna
it.
use pancake syrup?
My girlfriend, she use soy sauce.
I know, but that sounds more authentic and Asian.
Don't
right now.
worry. Do my way.
Why don't you use
Mama, my kitchen, don't worry. I put it like that.
Oh my God, that's so weird.
It's not weird. It's really good. Just Mama my.
So when you fry your egg rolls in oil, or you fry anything in oil, just like fried chicken, fried dumplings, whatever, it does turn brown because the oil deepens it. But when you air fry, it's not gonna look as appetizing when it comes out because it's so light and healthy. It's actually gonna look the same color as this. You gotta trick them fools out there
Yes, make it a
by
little bit brown.
tanning your egg rolls so that they feel like the same thing that came out of the fryer.
Just like her skin.
Oh my God.
That's it. Okay, now you dip like this and you weigh it, okay? Three of them. You go, take it out. Don't leave it too long. You're too slow. Fine.
I'm being careful.
You take about a spoon. 1 spoon only, like this.
So you move the rice paper to a half moon shape in front of you.
Right. You take this one. Go
Right
this
edge.
way. Take this one.
Right edge over, left edge over, so it's like an envelope.
Right. The white. Yolk.
Egg white.
The egg white, yeah, put in here. Then you take this one, you roll it. Make it tight. See? So when you fry them, you know, just enough to put in your mouth. You don't mess it up your lipstick. That's how I like it. Skinny, better.
So you get a little spoonful like this.
Yes. Just a half one.
That.
Okay.
And then you put it in the center of your half moon boat. Then you squeeze it together so it's all compact. Then I'm gonna bring it up on the bottom edge first. Make it really tight.
Pull it.
Tight,
pull it
tuck it
yeah.
tight,
And then-
tight.
No. Put this side. Put this
Then
side
I
right
do
now.
the right side over. And then I do the left side over, really tight, really tight. Then I egg white the edge. And then you really tight roll it over.
That's how.
And
You have to make it tight.
ta-da! So beautiful, everybody. Ta-da! So I would turn on your favorite podcast, something like Listen Hunnay, or your favorite YouTube show like Hello Hunnay.
Hey, can you bring the air fryer over here, Jeannie?
Air fryers come in all different shapes and sizes. My old air fryer used to have a drawer that you would pull out and you put all your fried food in and you close it. But the Asian school of thought with air frying is you should look at your food so you know what degree of fried it's gotten, which I agree with. And you lift up the top like this. You have 2 rows so you can keep, you know, your separated.
Yeah. I put a little bit water to make it moist. You don't have to do that, but I like to do my way.
Don't you think the water will make it steamed, not crunchy?
No, just a little bit.
Makes the egg roll have a little bit more moistness
Okay.
to it so it's not dry. Have you ever tasted an egg roll maybe like 3 days after you bought it? Like say you keep it in its wrapping, because egg rolls are porous, they suck in air, so they get dry very quickly. So actually that's smart to keep your egg rolls tasting really fresh for like a few days.
350 See how is it? This is my first time to do the egg roll with the air fry. Okay? Okay. Clean it. This is the first time I might do the egg roll with the air fry. We'll see the result come out. Okay? Good luck, Mama Mai.
400 degrees.
400 degree. And then put half an hour.
Half an hour.
Half an hour to see how is it. We stay here, we can see it.
Now I'm just gonna turn them all so the babies get all equal time under the sun.
Real crunchy.
Mom, mine's ugly.
Now you know. You learn, don't worry.
So those were in for 20 minutes. We're flipping them over so they get a nice crunchy coating on the other side for another 10 minutes.
Make
You have a problem?
I want to see how you do it. Make it nice. Go ahead. We'll bring the fish sauce. Yeah.
This is the nectar of Vietnam. The accoutrement that brings all of Vietnamese dining together. It's called nước mắm.
Yeah.
And it is made out of primarily fish sauce. And it's got lemon and fresh garlic and chili peppers in it. And every
Sugar,
household,
yeah.
and sugar, every household has their own way of making it. My mom's is the best. Chef's kiss.
Thank you. When you eat the egg roll, you can eat finger food, you can eat by itself, or you can eat with a vegetable, you know, whatever you want, it is fine with you. Ooh, very good right now, you can see. I never see the egg roll ugly like this, but my daughter, she make it, so I don't know. That's yours. Okay. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Crunchy.
The fact that you can enjoy egg rolls now and not have to worry about the high calories, the high fat, the dangers of eating oily fried foods is perfection. And I told y'all, the air fryer is gonna be your bestie in the kitchen. Thank you to everybody who commented and wanted Mama Mai to share her egg roll recipe. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below. Love you.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you so much to Centrum for sponsoring this video.